I just took one fat nap and look what I woke up to. Ah! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing the MilSO box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Lindsay, the owner of MilSO box, for sending this out to me to review. If you guys don't know what MilSO box is, basically MilSO box is a subscription box and it is filled with goodies for military wives, girlfriends, fiancés, significant others, and they're filled with products from veteran-owned companies, American-owned companies, military spouse companies, just supporting each other in the military community. So that is pretty dang awesome. This is my first time getting a MilSO box, and this month's theme is actually the stockings are hung over. So it's a boozy box. Sometimes they have seasonal themed boxes and sometimes they have more like military focused boxes. And if you go on their website, you can purchase like a one-time box, or you can actually like subscribe and like get boxes every month. I also got you guys a coupon code just to try out if you guys are interested in the MilSO box. It is CL for Cindy Friends, that's you, and 10 for 10% off for one box, for a subscription, for anything. So yeah, let's check this bad boy out. When you first open the box, they have like a little card here. So this card just like tells you like everything that's gonna be in this box basically. Oh, this is... Thank you for protecting his heart. Oh my gosh. This is kind of making me sad because like my husband is deploying soon, and I don't know, maybe I can subscribe to this and it'll be something to look forward to every month. So I have like a bunch of goodies in here. Oops. So let's see. The first thing is this emulsified sugar Zinfandel scrub. Zinfandel, that's like wine, right? So basically the scrub is made by a retired Marine Corps spouse. The company is called Woodcock Creek Candle and Bath. I just want to smell it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. You know what this smells like? It smells like it's like sweet pea, like that Bath and Body Works sweet pea. Let me see. Ooh. So the scrub is pretty fine. Sorry, like my skin is really dry, but this is like definitely getting rid of those dry skin cells. Yeah, that smells really good. Okay, next thing. So this is just a dish towel that says, "Let's get lit." This product is actually from a MilSO owned company called Wandering Owl Designs, and you could find her on Etsy. This is really cute. Thank you so much. Next thing on the list, this is, okay, let me read this to you. This is a brand specific glass tag. So you can add it to your stemless wine glasses, highball glasses, beer glasses, you know, the list goes on. This is actually created by a Navy wife, and the shop is called the Nomadic Nation Shop. She's also on Etsy. We have one that says, "Because military life," what is this one? "Bless this hot mess," Oscar Mike Golf, like OMG, and "Needs of the Marines." I mean, if you guys are having like a wine party because your husbands are deployed, you could just add this to your glasses and you know whose glasses who, basically. Next thing in this box is a Hangover Kit. So this is from a veteran-owned company called Potty Packs. That's really funny. It says instructions. 1, reduce pain. So it comes with a painkiller and an antacid medication. 2, rehydrate. So it has an electrolyte powder. And 3, refresh. So it includes a mint and lip balm. Ooh, this will come in handy. Okay. And lastly in this box is a sleeping mask. Let me pull this out. So it says, "Wake me for mimosas." How cute. So this is actually a product from a veteran-owned business called lunarbranding.com. It feels so nice. I used to sleep with like masks like all the time in college just because I was so used to sleeping in the dark. And also like when I used to put conditioner stuff or like lash conditioner on my lashes, I would just put this on to protect the products from like getting on my pillows too. So that's what I always use sleeping masks for. But this is really cute. That is really nice. Well, thank you so much, MilSO box, for sending this to me. If you guys have like a MilSO friend or something, you can gift this to them. I mean, Christmas is coming up, and if you haven't figured anything out yet, this is a pretty good deal, especially with the 10% off. I'll leave MilSO boxes like info and down bar below if you guys are interested. I think this is a pretty cool concept, especially like, you know, we want to support our military. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.